Hi there, it's Mary from Stampin, mary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is another card made using the Forever Friendship stamp set from the Stampin' Up mini catalogue. This is the wonderful stamp set and I'm using the typewriter today. Such a nostalgic stamp set, I think. Really, really lovely, and my favourite item is actually, or stamp I should say, is actually this one, the typewriter. So lovely. This is a very easy and quick card to put together, and I've actually incorporated some of the stars here, and this is using the Starlight Punch. So the stars and this designer series paper are actually from our annual catalogue, and this one is from our mini catalogue. It's on page 66, and I have put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. So let's go ahead and get this card started. I've used a base of mint macaron, and this designer series paper is actually from the Abigail Rose suite in the annual catalogue, and I've just used one of our mini circles dies, the second largest one, and run that through my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine just to get that hole there. And I'm just going to grab in my, sorry, I thought I had it there, my adhesive, and pop that down with straight onto the cardstock. Now it's easier. This one here I actually popped it up with dimensionals, but I actually think will look a little bit better if it's flat. So I've cut the paper to the exact same size as the card base, so just a half a piece of A4 cardstock there, cut in half and scored. Go. Okay, so very simple stamping we're going to do here. We're going to bring in a piece of basic white and Memento black. I'm going to stamp that straight up and down. We are going to be fussy cutting it, but it's easy little fussy cutting. And now colouring with some of the Stampin' blends. So I'm using Petal Pink and Mint Macaron because this base of this is actually Petal Pink. So I'm going to give that a couple of seconds to dry before I put my colour down. So I'm going to actually come in with my dark Petal Pink first. Make sure I've got the right one here. Yep. And I'm just going to do this little piece first over here, just for a touch of colour. And then bringing in my light Petal Pink, that should be dry enough now, and just going over the thank you, thank you, thank you very lightly. Isn't it lovely? There you go. Bringing in the dark Mint Macaron, just to put some dark shading around the sides here of the typewriter, and I'm going to blend that out with the light. Not colouring the whole thing, just some quick colouring, and then bring in light Stampin' blend. Just going to blend that all out. I love colouring, it's very therapeutic. You could also put watercolour wash down on some shimmery white paper or the Fluid 100 watercolour paper, put a wash down, then stamp over the top with the stays on. That would also look cute too, and the whole thing would be coloured in. And there it is. So it's just a matter of fussy cutting it. I've done one ahead of time already cut out, so there it is. Put that to one side. Now it's a simple case of putting the card together. See, I said it was easy. So this is the Starlight Punch. I just did the stars there. I mean, obviously you can leave that blank if that's what you would prefer, but I quite like the option of having something a little bit around the side. You could put your sentiment around the side, another sentiment around the side, cut it out if you like. Just going to pop some Tombow straight down here. I'm trying to get it. It doesn't always work, but today it did. amazing. So like I said, I've gone ahead already and cut them out, and just bringing in my Take Your Pick tool, which is falling apart today, using that glue, the bit that's got the sticky on the end of it, just to pop these down. I've got them, it's another one over here, let's get them out. Put that one down there, place them wherever you like. You can pop them up with dimensionals if you want to. These little ones are a little bit trickier. Make sure that stays. I actually really like the Starlight Punch because it punches out, you know, such a variety of stars. So stars are not just for Christmas. Oh, I think I might have missed a little bit of Tombow there. Pop that one there. There we go. Flowers would work there, would look cute. Or again, you could just leave it blank and put your sentiment there. Dimensionals on the side. Sorry, dimensionals under here. So just by cutting out that circle, it just gives it that sort of a faux window, I guess. There we go. And then this is the Elegant Trim Silver and Gold. Again, just for a little bit of extra touch there. And where have I put my, here we go, mini glue dots. Just on there. Trim that off. And there you have it. Very quick, simple, easy card to put together. As I said, I've put a link to all the products in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. That's stampingmary@gmail.com. Thanks so much and have a really good day. Bye.